In this video, I will show you how to add audio in DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure your project is open. Adding audio is very simple. Start by going to the Edit panel. Then look for the Media Pool section. If you do not see it, click the Media Pool button at the top to open it. Now, right-click inside the Media Pool and click on Import Media. This will open a File Explorer window. Find your audio file and select it. Once you select it, the file will appear in the Media Pool. To add the audio to your project, just drag and drop it onto the timeline. If you want to match the audio length with your video, move your mouse to the end of the audio track. Then drag the edge to the left to trim it to the right length. Sometimes, when you import audio, you might see an error or the audio might not show up at all. To fix this, open your browser and go to any audio converter website. Upload your audio file and convert it to a different format like MP3 or WAV. This will solve any issues with the audio file type and your audio will import without problems. That is how to add audio in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching.